Welcome to Summarize Science. What if you could take a single, static picture of any object and instantly generate an infinite variety of 3D animations for it? That's the incredible promise of a new research paper called DIMO, which stands for Diverse 3D Motion Generation for Arbitrary Objects. Previously, creating dynamic 3D objects was very limited. You could either get diverse motions for very specific categories, like humans, using expensive motion capture data, or you could generate just one motion for a general object, which was a slow and expensive process that had to be repeated for every new animation. DIMO completely changes this paradigm. The core idea is to leverage the powerful AI video models that already exist to brainstorm lots of different 2D videos of an object in motion. It then learns to represent all these different movements in a compressed, low-dimensional map, which they call a motion latent space. Think of this latent space like a map where every single point corresponds to a unique 3D animation. By simply picking a point on this map, the model can instantly generate a high-quality 3D motion in a single forward pass without any long waits. This is how DIMO can produce so many different movements for the exact same object while perfectly preserving its identity. And the results are fantastic, working on a huge variety of subjects from animals and robots to even cartoon characters. Here you can see how from just one input image, they can generate multiple distinct motions, like a cheetah running, a bird flapping its wings, or a monkey dancing. Compared to previous state-of-the-art methods, DIMO's generated motions are far more noticeable and dynamic, where others often produce animations that are barely moving. The motion map allows for some amazing applications. For example, they can pick two different animations on the map and smoothly interpolate between them, creating a brand new, coherent motion that blends the two together. It also supports language-guided generation. Because the initial videos were generated from text prompts, the model learns a connection between language and motion. This means a user can simply type a command, and the model will generate the corresponding 3D animation on the fly. So let's recap the breakthrough here. DIMO is the first generative model that can take a single image of any object and create a whole space of diverse 3D motions. These motions can be sampled instantly, interpolated, and even guided by text. This is a massive step toward what the researchers compare to an SMPL-like model for everything, a universal, easy-to-use animation tool not just for humans, but for any object imaginable. This could dramatically lower the barrier to creating 3D content for games, films, and virtual reality, putting powerful animation tools in the hands of more creators than ever before. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.